Chapter 12 Money. Warm-up activity. Indian currency. In a particular country, the type of money that is used is called its currency. The currency of our country is the rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. We use this symbol for rupee or rupees and P for paise. Indian currency is used in two forms, coins and notes. Writing money in figures and words. The amount of money can be written in two ways, figures and words. We use a dot to separate rupees and paise while writing the money in figures. Suppose you have 75 rupees 80 paise. We will write this in figures as rupees 75.80 paise and in words as 75 rupees and 80 paise. Let us take a few more examples. Example 1. Write 98 rupees and 50 paise in figures and words. Solution. In figures is equal to rupees 98.50 paise. In words equal to 98 rupees and 50 paise. Example 2. Write 105 rupees and 75 paise in figures and words. Solution. In figures is equal to rupees 105.75 paise. In words is equal to 105 rupees and 75 paise. Remember, the number on the left side of the dot shows rupees and the number on the right side shows paise. We always use two figures for paise. For example, 5 paise as 05 paise, 9 paise as 09 paise, etc. Conversion of money. Conversion of rupees into paise. To convert rupees into paise, we multiply the amount in rupees by 100. Example 3. Convert 40 rupees into paise. Solution. 40 rupees is equal to 40 multiply 100 paise. It is equal to 4000 paise. Example 4. Convert 75 rupees 50 paise into paise. Solution. 75 rupees 50 paise is equal to 75 multiply 100 paise plus 50 paise. It is equal to 7500 paise plus 50 paise. It is equal to 7550 paise. Example 5. Convert rupees 66.35 paise into paise. Solution. Rupees 66.35 paise is equal to rupees 66 plus 35 paise. It is equal to 66 multiply 100 paise plus 35 paise. It is equal to 6600 paise plus 35 paise. It is equal to 6635 paise. Short method. If the money is written in decimal notation, then remove the symbol and decimal point and write paise with it. For example, rupees 47.75 paise is equal to 4775 paise. Rupees 25.05 paise is equal to 2505 paise. Rupees 0.55 paise is equal to 55 paise. Conversion of paise into rupees. To convert paise into rupees, put a dot after two digits from the right. The number on the left of the point indicates the number of rupees and that on its right shows the number of paise. Example 6. Convert the following into rupees and paise. A. 2075 paise. B. 1209 paise. C. 18,020 paise. Solution. A. 2075 paise is equal to rupees 20.75 paise or 20 rupees 75 paise. B. 1209 paise is equal to rupees 12 and 9 paise or 12 rupees 9 paise. C. 18,020 paise is equal to rupees 180 and 20 paise or 180 rupees 20 paise. Remember, to convert rupees and paise into paise, we multiply the amount in rupees by 100 and add it to the number of paise. Addition of money. Example 7. Add rupees 155 and 75 paise and rupees 25 and 25 paise. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the amounts in columns as shown. Step 2. Add the amounts as ordinary numbers. Thus, rupees 155 and 75 paise plus rupees 25 and 25 paise is equal to rupees 181 and 0 paise. Example 8. Kavya spent rupees 541 and 95 paise on shoes, rupees 93 on a belt, and rupees 210 and 99 paise on painting colors. How much did she spend in all? Solution. Money spent on shoes is equal to rupees 541 and 95 paise. Money spent on a belt is equal to rupees 93 and 0 paise. Money spent on painting colors is equal to rupees 210 and 99 paise. Total money spent is equal to rupees 541 and 95 paise plus rupees 93 plus rupees 210 and 99 paise. It is equal to rupees 845 and 94 paise. So, Kavya spent rupees 845 and 94 paise in all. Subtraction of money. Example 9. Subtract rupees 46 and 29 paise from rupees 279 and 67 paise. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the amounts in columns as shown. Step 2. Subtract the amounts as ordinary numbers. Thus, rupees 279 and 67 paise minus rupees 46 and 29 paise is equal to rupees 233 and 38 paise. Example 10. A sofa set costs rupees 6,879 and 72 paise. Miss Verma has only rupees 4,180 in her purse. How much more money does she need to buy the sofa set? Solution. Cost of a sofa set is equal to rupees 6,879 and 72 paise. Money in her purse is equal to rupees 4,180 and 0 paise. Money needed is equal to rupees 6,879 and 72 paise minus rupees 4,180 and 0 paise. It is equal to rupees 2,699 and 72 paise. Miss Verma needs rupees 2,699 and 72 paise more to buy the sofa set. Multiplication of money. Example 11. Multiply rupees 8 and 20 paise by 5. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the multiplicand and multiplier. Then multiply as ordinary numbers. Step 2. Now put a dot after the second digit from the right. Thus, rupees 8 and 20 paise multiplied 5 is equal to rupees 41 and 0 paise. Example 12. The cost of 1 pen is rupees 31 and 50 paise. What will be the cost of 12 such pens? Solution. Cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees 31 and 50 paise. Cost of 12 pens is equal to rupees 31 and 50 paise. Multiply 12. It is equal to rupees 378 and 0 paise. Thus, the cost of 12 pens is rupees 378 and 0 paise. Division of money. Example 13. Divide rupees 46 and 35 paise by 5. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the values as shown. Then divide as ordinary number. Step 2. Now put a dot after the second digit from the right in the question. Thus, rupees 46 and 35 paise divided by 5 is equal to rupees 9 and 27 paise. Example 14. Gagan bought 4 balls for rupees 597 and 96 paise. What is the cost of 1 ball? Solution. Cost of 4 balls is equal to rupees 597 and 96 paise. Cost of 1 ball is equal to rupees 597 and 96 paise divided by 4. It is equal to rupees 149 and 49 paise. Thus, the cost of 1 ball is rupees 149 and 49 paise. Bills. The slip of paper on which a shopkeeper notes down the purchased items of a customer and calculates the total cost of items purchased is called a bill. Let us learn to make a bill with the help of the following example. Example 15. Miss Mehra went to the Gupta bakery and purchased the following items. A. 12 pastries of rupees 10 and 50 paise each. B. 10 patties of rupees 13 and 10 paise each. C. 5 packets of biscuits of rupees 80 and 20 paise each. D. 11 cream rolls of rupees 30 and 50 paise each. E. 2 loaves of bread of rupees 50 each. F. 13 chocolates of rupees 25 and 20 paise each. Prepare a bill for the above purchase and find out how much she paid for all the items. Solution. Name of the item. Number of item. Rate per item. Amount in rupees and paise. Pastry. 12. Rupees 10 and 50 paise each. Amount is rupees 126 and 0 paise. Patty. 10. Rupees 13 and 10 paise each. Amount is rupees 131 and 0 paise. Packet of biscuit. 5. Rupees 80 and 20 paise each. Amount is rupees 401 and 0 paise. Cream roll. 11. Rupees 30 and 50 paise each. Amount is rupees 335 and 50 paise. Loaf of bread 2 rupees 50 and 0 paise each. Amount is rupees 100 and 0 paise. Chocolate 13 rupees 25 and 20 paise each. Amount is rupees 327 and 60 paise. Total is rupees 1421 and 10 paise. Thus, Miss Mehra paid rupees 1421 and 10 paise for all the items.